Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Miles Bach, and this is my learning plan project for Learning Framework at ACC. I never thought I'd be back in college at this point in my life. With work, family, and 5 kids, it's a struggle to get a minute of free time to myself. But here I am, doing it the best that I can. Today, I'll walk you through my goals, my educational journey, what I've learned about myself as a student, and how I plan to turn this into a strong career path for the future. This presentation covers 4 main areas: my purpose for attending college, my educational journey from past to future, what I've discovered about my learning style and strategies, and finally, how all of this connects to my long-term career goals. Think of it like a road trip, except instead of snacks and good music, I've got textbooks, discussion boards, and coffee. So, why am I in college now? Well, the short answer is the VA is covering it, and I get paid for it. The long answer is I want to build a better future for my family and break the cycle of generational poverty. I've always been drawn to technology and computers. I used to make websites as a teenager, completely self-taught, copy pasting code and figuring things out as I went along, but I never had any formal training. Now I want to see how far I can take it with real education and credentials. My short-term goal is simple: survive college while working full-time and raising 5 kids, with one on the way. My long-term goal is bigger: financial freedom, stability, and the ability to give my family the life they deserve. In the short term, my focus is consistency, getting the assignments done, staying organized, and keeping my GPA where it needs to be. Long term, I plan to earn my associate's degree and move towards a bachelor's. Ultimately, I want a tech career that pays well, challenges me, and gives me room to grow. I also want to be able to afford a family vacation that doesn't involve tents and gas station hot dogs. Looking back, school and I had a complicated relationship. I did well, but I got bored. Life took over, and I dropped out to work full time. Then I joined the Army, where I learned that class participation means something entirely different than when push-ups are involved. Even though I earned college credits at different times and places, I never finished a degree. But those experiences taught me resilience and how to keep pushing even when things get tough. Fast forward to now, I'm a full-time worker, full-time husband, full-time dad, and full-time college student. Basically, I've got 4 full-time jobs and 0 free time. Balancing everything is tough, but I remind myself that I'm not just doing this for me. My motivation comes from my wife, my kids, the people watching me, that it's never too late to learn something new. In the future, I plan to earn my associate's, then my bachelor's degree in programming. I want to try to future-proof my job by learning about and using AI, automation, and all the tools that are shaping our world. Of course, there's always the little fear that AI will take all the programming jobs before I even finish my degree, but then again, maybe I'll be the one helping build the AIs that do that. I've learned that I'm a mix between a visual learner and a hands-on learner. If I can read it, then do it, it usually sticks. It's why programming fits me. I can immediately see if my work succeeds or fails. To succeed, I try to rely on structure, setting deadlines, sticking to a routine, and avoiding distractions. Well, trying to avoid distractions. With 5 kids running around, distractions are unavoidable. I also use AI tools and online resources to reinforce what I'm learning. It's like having a tutor that never sleeps, which is good because I rarely do. My dream is to work in technology, specifically software development or AI systems. I love problem solving and creating things that make life easier or more efficient, or just cool things. And I've met people who've built amazing careers in this field. It's inspiring because I know that if they can do it, so can I. My family is what drives me. I want my children to grow up seeing their dad work and see that effort pays off. I grew up with the opposite examples, and it took a long time to break out of that. When I'm tired, I remind myself that every late night study session is a seed for their future. I want them to look back and say, If Dad could do all that, no excuses. For me, college isn't just about getting a degree. It's about finishing what I started. It's about proving that I can do this no matter how long it takes. I'm grateful for the chance to learn, grow, and to set an example for my family. And if nothing else, this process has made me a master of juggling responsibilities and consuming 5-hour energies. That concludes my presentation. Thank you for listening.